Here we will learn how to create menus in PowerPoint and how to use them to traverse to different slides. So let's start with creating menus. I'm inserting a shape over here to give a heading to the menu. Changing the color of the shape with the format so that it aligns with the slide. And let's copy this shape again. You can create as many mere shapes as you want the headings in the menus. I'm here only using two. One is for the home. I want the text to be black. And second one, let it be horses. Now I'll again create a menu below it. So I have a shape.
Now people, making the shape blank so that other menu items can be added over it. Adding an outline to the shape. Inserting other boxes inside it to create menu items. And giving them a text.
Just copying and pasting it.
So we'll give them different headings.
So I have a menu ready with me. Now, just let's make this menu once. I'm selecting all the shapes by using the shift button and grouping them together. Now this is my one shape. I can simply do a copy and paste to give it for this, and let us change the name. Now people, I have two headings and two menus. Let us try out and try to appear these menu on the click of a mouse. To do this, what we'll do is we'll select the menu, move to the animation tab, and add an animation of appear. So if you see there is an animation added over here, to see that animation, just click on the animation pane. I can see the animation here. And if you work on with this, just do a right click and click on effect options. On the effect options, move on to timings and say trigger. And I should start the effect on the click of the rectangle 2 which says home. And I said okay. Now if I see the slide in action, so my menu would appear on the click of home. Right. The second step would be let the menu go at the click of home, which is not happening right now. Again, I'll say add animation and I'll ask the animation to disappear and simply drag it below it. Just to confirm, right click, effect options. Just to ensure, we'll go to the timings and say start the effect of click of rectangle to home. Now people, let's run this. And here appears my menu and here it disappears. Let's repeat the same action on this. We'll select, we'll say appear, and this should be with the effect options, timings, trigger, start effect on click off, courses. Then again add an animation and I would say disappear, and I'll simply click and drag it here so it comes on with the same effect. Now let us assure that my PPT is running fine. So I can see one menu and I can see a second menu. Now what I want to do is, moment I click on about us, it should take me to that slide. For the purpose, let's select this text box about us, move to insert, and you'll see action over here. Work on with the action. On mouse click, simply say hyperlink to next slide. Leave the mouse over as it is. Now when we'll see the slideshow, the menu appears, and the moment I click on about us, it takes me to the about us slide. So that's how people we create a menu in PowerPoint. Thank you everyone.